Well, alright guys, well, welcome back to the channel and another day in paradise. We are here at South Mountain State Park doing a little fishing. Got me and Zip today. Just got a little double nymph rig right now. Then as the sun starts going down in the evening, we're going to switch to a dry dropper. But for now, we just got to try to find the river. We're trying new areas today. The areas we've been fishing, we kind of wore them out along with everybody else in this place. So we're going to continue walking and find us some places to go. So stay tuned. Oh man, y'all missed it. I've already fell once. I fell hardcore. First rock I stepped on. He's doing all right as a river dog, mountain dog, whatever you want to call it. No, we're just out here. Look how clear this water is. We're just out here exploring new water. What? What is it? You're fine, bro. It's not that bad. I fell in it. You're fine. No, we're just out here exploring new water. Trying to catch a fish or two, you know. So, we're going to keep trucking. And hopefully, don't lose my balance again. So, double nymph rig isn't working, so we're going to go to the old true and through dry dropper. He's doing really, really well. We're a little cold. It's just slightly too cold to be wet wading, but it's 75 degrees, and you know, being from Texas, I miss the warm and having my bare feet in the water. Except here, I'm not walking barefoot because my feet will get shredded because they're not conditioned to this yet. But anywho, we're gonna retie with the dry dropper and see if we can't get bit. Oh. Go here. You okay, bro? Yeah, buddy. You okay? You okay? It's okay. It's okay, buddy. You're alright. You're good, buddy. It's okay. Oh, come on. Yeah, shut up. We think our strategies, you know, what I'm throwing right now isn't working. Plus, I keep getting caught in the trees. So I think we're gonna go back to the truck and get the 2-weight because it's shorter and easier to cast up underneath this underbrush. And we're gonna keep going. I think that's gonna be that's gonna be our strategy. So, Zip, hey! Let's go get some fish, come on, let's go. I've got some swimming right in front of my rod tip. This is the kind of holes I've been looking for. Deep pools with good current running into them. Good thing we stopped wading because I wouldn't have been able to walk this because it's deep. I mean, like deep. So what I'm going to try to do is go up top and fish back this way. I doubt it's going to work, but I'm going to give it a shot. And yes, for those of you who can tell and who are experienced in the art of trout fishing, I have no idea what I'm doing. Just took some advice from some friends. Some articles I've read, and we're just going off of that. So here goes nothing. You're okay. You're okay, bro. Zip, you're all right. Hey. Oh, this is way different. Oh no. No. Big freaking trout. Hmm? Oh my god. Hang on, Baba. A good one. Come here. Brown trout. Oh, don't do that. I got a net. Don't do that, sir. Don't. You mother trucker. You did do it, didn't you? You would. You would. These hooks funny too. Come on. Got him in the top of the head. Come on. Come on. Hey, 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 hey. Okay. Stop. There you go, Mr. Fishing. Yes. So I'm gonna see if I can get a shot. There's a big one just chilling right in here, but I can't get him to go for anything top water. I tried double nymph rig. I've tried everything. Let's see if we can see him. We're gonna leave this hole alone for a while. Literally put the camera up because I was just wasting battery at that point. And then, like within 5 seconds of putting the camera up, later in the cast, broke off on the biggest trout of my life because I'm throwing a freaking 2-weight. So we're dealing with that. So I'm gonna give this hole a break. We're probably gonna hit it up one more time on my way out. It's got a real sandy bottom, which is different than anything else I've fished in here. So that might be the ticket for bigger fish. But we're gonna keep going. And someone's happy I'm finally out of the water and moving. So we're gonna hike up a little bit, see if we can't find some more holes. I mean, like, oh, that looks good. See that water circling back up in there? There's probably a couple fish back in there. So we're gonna get up in here, actually, just above my area. He can wade this with me, and we're gonna do some fishing. We got the stuff. It's okay. We got the stuff. It's okay. You would like it? It's okay. You're all right. Yeah, so learning to fish a new place, teaching a new dog to be a fishing buddy. we have our hands full. Let's just put it that way. Ain't that right, Bubba? Huh? Ain't that right, Zip? So yeah, we're just gonna keep trucking. And I'm just glad to be in front of the camera again. I brought the Osmo Action this time because I wasn't for sure how it was gonna fish, what it was gonna be like. But now that I know what it's like, we're gonna bring the big camera next time. So I mean, but look at this. I've lived in 3 states, 4 if you count the Oklahoma-Arkansas line. I've never seen anything like this. I've never fished anything like this, and this is incredible. So we're just gonna keep going until we see something. Like I said, I'm probably doing it all wrong, but you know what? We're having a good time. Needed to give it a break. I think that's all I needed. Alright, because they were hitting it pretty good earlier. Hang on, Zip. Careful, Bubba. Careful. Careful. Ah, dadgummit. See, there he was. Got him. Got him. It's a decent one. It's a decent fish. He just seems big because he's on a 2-weight. A little creek rod. Oh, he's in bad shape too. Yeah, he's not that big. He just seems big because, like I said, 2-weight. This fish has been beat up so many times. I don't have a net either. So, you know, if I lose him, I lose him. I'm just waiting because there's a particular, it's a little rainbow. There's a particular net I want. And it's quite expensive. So I'm just gonna, actually he's not bad. He's in bad shape though, I mean bad shape. Come on, come here. Come on. Come on. It's alright. Hey, you're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Hey, hey. Calm down. I don't expect to land it because I'm throwing 6X line. It's super tiny. Quick release. Quick release. My buddy here, getting a little cold. You getting a little cold, Zip? Alright, so we're a little cold, so we're gonna head back, call it a day before the sun starts going down up here in the mountains. I mean, even though we got a couple hours left, but someone's getting a little cold because he's too small to fit inside of his neoprene jacket. So we're gonna call it a day. Thank you guys for coming. We'll see y'all in the next episode, and we'll see y'all later. Deuces. Dooper, you ruined the shot. Over here. Good boy. Hey. Stay over here. Good boy. Good boy. Hey, Bubba. What are you doing? Hi. Did you have fun fishing? Did you have fun fishing? We wore you out, didn't we? Ready to go home? Go eat some food? Take a nap? Yeah.